action. Mother tongue. Essential and important question. Why do we need to learn to speak polite expression in our own dialect Cebuano? Ngano kinahanglan man kita makamaong musulti sa saktong pangatahuran sa atong pinulongga Bisaya?
Most people understand their own language. It gives more meaning to what we speak.
Okay, number 2. What is the importance of learning to say the action words in our own dialect Cebuano? Unsay importansya sa pagkat-on nato sa paghatag og pangalan sa mga lihok nga atong gibuhat?
So that people would easily understand what you mean.
Okay, number 3. How do you improve your ability to speak our own dialect? Unsahon nimo pagkahanas musulti sa atong pinulugang Bisaya?
By practicing and speaking Bisaya always.